Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about factory function in JavaScript. So factory function is just like any other function, but here it will return one new object. So normally we use literals to create objects. So we can create the object person1 with the name and the age property. Now suppose we wanted to create another object with the same structure. So we have to duplicate the code. We can create the person2 with the name John and a different age. Now suppose we wanted to create multiple objects with this structure. So this is of course not the efficient way to create objects. So to solve the problem we have the factory function. So let's see how we can use the factory function to create objects. So first of all we have the function keyword and then the name of the function like create person, and it will take the parameters like name and age, and this will just basically return one object with the name as the parameter name and age as the parameter age. And also we can add methods, like we can add the greet method and it will just return the string welcome. So here is our factory function. Now we can use that to create multiple objects with that structure. So let's see how we can do that. Suppose we wanted to create the object person1, so we have to call the function create person, and here we have to pass the name and age. So we have created the person1 object. Similarly also we can create person2 object with a different name and a different age. So you can see it is very easy to create multiple objects with the same structure by using this factory function. Now we can use those objects and we can access the property, like we can access the name, and also we can access the method like the greet method, and we're gonna have this output. So the factory function basically generates multiple instances of the similar object and it returns one new object based on the arguments passed to the function. Now there are several advantages of creating object this way. So the first advantage is that here our object is encapsulated inside the function, which keeps the code modular and organized. And here the factory function provides a lot of flexibility because it just takes the arguments and we can use them to create the object of our own, which allows greater flexibility. And also another advantage is that we don't have to use new keyword to create the object. We just simply call the function just like any other normal function and it will return the object for us. So the code is a lot more cleaner and also less error prone. So this is the way we can use the factory function to create object in JavaScript. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.